right, number 3 is asking about Roman numerals. Before I start on that problem, I have to review what my Roman numerals are. I'm going to practice with the little hand signals. 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1,000. Now I'm going to write them down to practice. I, 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1,000. Okay, now that I have that down, I could look at this problem. Write these numbers using Roman numerals. 75, 2014. Okay, 75, there is nothing that I could do to do 70, so I'll have to break that up to 50, 10, 10, 5. So when I'm looking for the Roman numeral for 75, I'm going to write 50, 10, 10, 5, 50, L, 10, X, 10, X, 5, V. 75 I would show as L, X, X, V. 2014, I have to break this up into numbers that have Roman numerals. So I would have to do 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 10. Oh, 4 is one of our special ones. Remember, 4 we write as 1 before 5. 4 we write as 1 before 5. So I'm going to write 1,000 M. 1,000 M, X for 10, and for 4 I write my 1 before 5. That's how I would show 2014. Okay, which number does this Roman numeral represent? So I'm going to look here. M, that'd be 1,000. C, 100, X, 10, X, 10. Oh, I see a 1 before 5, which is 4. That means that this would be 1,124. 1,124. Measure the length and width of the rectangle using centimeters. So if you have your ruler at home, go ahead and measure those sides now of this rectangle right here. Okay, so this side is 2 centimeters. This top is 4 centimeters. This side is 2 centimeters, and this bottom is 4 centimeters. What is this question asking me? It says, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? How do we find perimeter? To find the perimeter, we add all of the sides. So to find the perimeter, we have to add 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. 6, 6, 12. When I add that up, I get 12 centimeters. Remember, you're finding the perimeter, not the area. Perimeter, add all sides. Number 5 says, list the factors of 18. Remember, these are the things that you could multiply together to get 18. Every single number, there's always 1 and the number itself. So for 18, we automatically know that our factors are 1 and 18. We could multiply those together to get 18. I know that I could also times 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. What else could I multiply to get 18? 3 and 6. 3 times 6 would be 18. This means that all of our factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. There's no other numbers that I could multiply together to get 18. Now I'm going to try and find the factors of 27. So I'm going to start with 1 and 27. Remember, a factor is always 1 in itself for any number. I know, what else can I multiply together to get 27? 3 and 9. Because I know 3 times 9 is 27. There is nothing else that I can multiply together to get 27. That means that all my factors are 1, 3, 9, and 27. This says, what is the greatest common factor in 18 and 27? That means, what numbers do they have in common? Out of all those numbers that they have in common, which one is the biggest? So they both have 1 in common. They both have 1. They both have 3. And they both have 9. But this question says, what is the greatest one that they have in common? So out of 1, 3, and 9, the greatest common factor is 9. Remember, this is the largest number they have in common. All right, moving on to number 6.